FrameMaker is a publishing tool, similar like Word, but there are more features as compared to Word.
Okay. So today we are going to learn about FrameMaker, right?
Yeah, we're learning FrameMaker today.
Okay.
So here you don't have the concept of one document. It
Okay.
is like in each chapter is a document, and then you compile them together to form a book. Okay, each
Okay.
one is a file, and the file compiled together is forming a book. So you
Okay.
have a process where you can. The advantage about FrameMaker is you can prepare large documents without the formatting getting interfered. Okay, that is not the
Okay.
case with Word. After a certain time, the formatting goes for a toss, because of which FrameMaker is a preferred choice among the two. Okay.
Now the last comment I didn't get it. You said
I
FrameMaker is a preferred tool of choice because
tool as compared to
Frame.
Word.
Okay. Why? What is the reason for that?
As I told you, that formatting doesn't go for a toss. It is whereas
Okay.
in Word the formatting gets disrupted when you're preparing large documents. But here you're
Okay.
preparing each file. Each chapter is a file. So you're
Okay.
compiling them together to form a book.
Fine.
Once again, I'm just preparing the content.
Yeah.
I go to File. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Go to File, New, Document. Okay. So
Okay.
here you have to select Portrait. So this window appears. This is the document outline. Okay. So here you have to go under View. You have three concepts: body pages, master pages, and reference pages. The body page is where the content is. The master
Okay.
page is where you're going to set the header and footer. And in the
Okay.
reference page where we create the table of content and all of that. Okay.
Okay.
So here
Okay.
I'm putting the content here. I'm working on supply chain management. So in here at this point in time, you're copying the content and putting here because our focus is learning the tool. In real time, you are not going to copy the content from anywhere. You're going to write the content. Okay?
Okay.
The information you're going to type, we're not going to copy paste it from any other source. At this point in time, our focus is learning the tool. So I'm copying the content from the internet. Otherwise, in real-time situation, you're going to write the content.
Yeah. That's correct.
So here I have 4 pages. Like you can see that 1 of 4 at the bottom here, 1 of 4. It says that there are 4 pages in this document. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to format paragraph designer. In paragraph designer, I'm going to give it as head 1. Oh no, I have to give chapter title. Subtitle, basic, see here, you can see when you click on colors, some basic colors here. Okay, so these are some colors provided by the software. I don't want to use that. I want to create my own color scheme. So I go to view, view, color definition. So here, I say head 1, color libraries, common color picker. I'm selecting shades of blue, or I will select red. So here, now you can see another color included that is called as head 1. You can call whichever name you want to. There's no any hard and fast rule. New color definitions. Head 2, common color picker. create, done. So I have two colors. Now I'm going here and selecting this. I want this as Arial. Arial, 18 points, color black, background, weight, bold, angle. I want an underline for this. So I say apply. So this is my chapter title. Okay. Now I place a cursor here.
Okay.
I say head 1. So come to basic. Above paragraph 1 line. Below paragraph 1 line. Left align. Line spacing 14 points. Apply. Go to font. Arial. See, I've already told you you can use any font you want to. There's no hard and fast rule. The only thing you have to use
Okay.
are the same color schemes. Means the same font types. You can't use multiple different fonts. For headings, you can use a certain font. For body text, you can use a certain font. So I'm selecting heading 1, regular, weight, bold, angled regular, click apply. So this is my heading 1. Head 2, basic, spacing, 1 line, left align, 14 points, apply. Then go to font. Arial, 14 points, color, head 2, background, weight, bold, angle, italic, click apply. So this is my heading of chapter title. This is my chapter title. This is heading 1. This is heading 2. Now I need the heading 3. So I place a cursor here. Head 3, basic, above paragraph 1 line, below paragraph 1 line, left align, line spacing over 14 points, font, Arial, 12 points, color black, weight bold, click apply. So this is my heading 3. So what else do you need to have? And then you have body text. Basic, spacing 1 line. Line spacing 1.5. That is for your paragraphs. We're going to give it as 21 points. Click apply. Now come to font. Now come to font. Since I've used Arial for my headings, I'm using Calibri for my body text. Font will be 11 points. Regular. All this is fine. Then note, Calibri 11 points, color black, weight, bold, angle, italic. So I say apply. Now I want to go to advanced. I want to give a line about note. So I go single line, frame below paragraph, single line, apply. So this represents a note.
Okay.
Okay. Now you have numbered list and bulleted list you have to create. So this is a 4-step procedure. Nonetheless, 1. Basic. Left align. Line spacing is 1.5. Click apply. Okay. Go to font. Calibri 11 points. Color black. Weight. Regular. Apply. Now come to numbering. Automatic number. N is equal to 1. Period and the space. Click apply. So you can see it has become 1 here. Now when I click on this, this is also 1. So I need to make this 2. So I have to give numlist 2, basic 19.5, apply, font, Calibri 11 points, black, weight, regular, apply, numbering. Now you have to say N plus. Put a full period and the space and say apply. So you can see that it has become 2. Okay. This is a 4-step procedure to ensure that we get 1, 2, 3. So now in how the organization is going to You got it? Are you following me?
Yeah.
Okay. So now I want this word expected and goals to come below and not below 3. Okay. So I have to go to basic, left, indent. I will give it as 22. Click apply. So you can see that the head text has come. 22 is more. I give it as 21. Click apply. So this creates the numbered list. Now we need to create a bulleted list. So the bulleted list is basically, it's a long procedure. First you have to go to character designer. I call it as new bullet. Paintings. The font you have to select is Wingdings. Color black, regular. Click apply. Now go to paragraph designer. Here, bulleted list. Basic, left align 9.5. Apply. Now I go to font, Calibri 11 points, black, click apply. Now come to numbering. Here, I'm giving the alphabet P, no space. Come to character format, select new bullet, click apply, update style. So can you see I have got a bullet here? Okay, so this is how you create a bulleted list.
Okay, fine.
So now I go to paragraph catalog. So whatever I have created comes in the paragraph catalog. Head 1, this. Where is chapter title? Chapter 2. Paragraph designer. I don't know what happened. The chapter title is gone. Basic. Apply changes. Yeah. So now I have to apply whatever I have created here. So this one is body text. How come it's bold? Apply, update style, 11 points. Then calculating, I don't know why it's taking us. Apply. So this one is your body text. So this one is also body text. Apply. Calculate. 11 points. Apply. Grid style. Remove overrides. Remove all the unwanted spaces. Don't keep too many spaces, it will give an error later. So don't give unnecessary spaces, ensure that the content is properly aligned.
Okay.
So here, bulleted list. Understood.
Okay, so what is this you are doing, Rita, right now?
I'm applying the format what I have created to the document.
Yeah.
I'm just applying whatever I have created to the document, okay?
Okay.
And rather, when I say so, I'm formatting the document. I cannot leave a heading hanging the bottom, so push it to the next page. So this one will be body text. Hello. Huh? Who? Who? Satyavan. Hmm. Oh, okay. Okay. Don't bother. Not at a part of the English. We are taught. You get us with money. Don't need. Yeah, don't need it. Okay. See, when you encounter a problem, no, it has a tendency of going back to the reverse mode, like it will not take a formatting. So then you will have to redo it again.
Okay.
Okay, so here there's some things which are not applied, so I recreated it. Okay, so that is why it's, see here, I had given heading to bold for 14 points and all that. It does not come. So I go to paragraph designer, heading 2, I say Arial, size 14 points, color, I'd given heading to color, you didn't take that, bold, italic, apply, update style. Remove overrides means it will not apply to the other documents. Okay. Then this one is body text. This again is a bulleted list. So again, the same problem. I've given it as paragraph designer, Arial 12 points, bold, apply. These extra spaces you have to remove.
Okay.
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 So what you have to do is you have to create 5 chapters like this. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
You have to create 5 chapters like this. At least 4 chapters, if not 5. At least 4 chapters. And then what we are going to do is we're going to import this into the other documents. Okay. So I won't do that now. I will do it tomorrow. I will go and apply other things. I will teach you. Keep
Okay.
this ready. Keep these 4 chapters or 4 or 5 chapters ready.
By tomorrow.
First create the template. First
Okay.
create the template, then create 5 chapters, and then I will show you how to call this formatting into other chapters. You don't have to recreate it. Once you create
Okay.
for one chapter, you can just import the template to the other chapters and then you need to format it.
Okay. So by tomorrow I have to do it.
Yeah, but tomorrow you have to do it.
Okay. Now tomorrow is Saturday, so by Monday I'll do it.
Okay.
So this is our basically about creating a template in Rodot, right? FrameMaker.
First, you have to create one chapter and apply the
Okay.
template to the chapter. Okay. After that, create 4 chapters and then I will show you how to import that template into all the other 4 chapters.
Okay.
So now I will get into the other aspects of it. So I go to view, master page, go to graphic, go to graphic tool. So this is the graphic tool here. So smart select. Select object. Click on this. Can you see the ruler on the left side here? Can you
Yes.
see the ruler here? So you
Yes.
have to drag this body as 1.2. Okay. And then this one. Drag it to 1.1. So there should be a space between the head and the body. Don't merge them. You have to give a space between the head and the body.
Okay.
Now, I want to go to format, page layout, pagination. It is single-sided now. I want it double-sided. Double-sided, I want the first page side should be right. Click right, click OK. So now I have a left page and a right page. So I have modified the left page. Now I have to go and do the right page. I don't know if you're understanding or whatever.
Yeah, I'm listening. So I'll have the recorded instructions with me. I'll go through it again. But most of the stuff I'm understanding.
This is the right page and this is the left page. Okay.
Okay.
On the left page, my header should come on the content should come on the left side and the logo should come on the right side.
Okay.
No. On the left page, the logo should come on the left side and the content should come on the right side. So I go to insert. Just minimize the canvas and increase it. You can see the logo and the product name. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Document you're writing, you'll get to see that there. Then go to the right page. Here, this should come on the left. Now go to view body page. I was in the master page, okay? I created this in the master page. So I go back to view master pages. I have to give the page number. So I place a cursor here, align to center, insert, header, footer, insert page number. So here I will say page hash come here, align to center, area 10 points, insert, header, footer, hash. Before that, if you want to, you can give page also. This is optional. That is your
Okay.
choice, whether you want to give a name or page number or not. Page number should be there, whether you want to give the page also.
Okay.
So now we can see the header and footer, and you can see the page number, page 1, page 2.
Okay.
So here there's lot of unnecessary space, so remove the spaces. Page 3, page 4. Again here, unnecessary spaces. So I have 6 pages now. Before I could format, it was 4 pages. Now it has come to 6 pages.
Okay. Fine.
Now I'll go to the insert option. Insert image. There are 3 ways of inserting image. Okay. So insert image. This is one way of inserting the image. This is one method. The second method is insert anchored frame. Anchor frame is not working. I will show you the other option. File import, file. There are 2 options. Import by reference, copy into document. You can say copy into document, click import. So I have 300 DPI. You can select anyone you want to. I click on set. So this is the third approach. The anchored frame is not working. I don't know for whatever reason. So these are the 2 ways of inserting images. The third approach is not working. That is by anchored frame. You try it out. I'll tell you how to do it. Go to insert anchored frame.
Okay.
It will show how many DPI you want. You can just insert this thing and then you will get the image. You just have to call the image into that anchor frame.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah, I'll do it later. I have the recording with me. I'll do it
I'm
later.
saying I'm not telling now, I'm telling you later.
Yeah.
Then insert cross reference, I'll come later. Header footer, I did. Table, insert table. So you can select whichever table type you want. Border blue, format A, columns 7, row 6. If it's a long table, then you have to say table continuation. You have to check this. If it is a long table, then you have to check the table continuation. Okay, click insert. So this is the table. So you can select table. It should be within the dotted lines. Okay, cannot go. Otherwise, I will remove this. Delete columns. So I've deleted that column. So you have if I want to merge as row, straddle. So it merges this row. Is this clear?
Okay, yeah.
So you can add, select row, select column body cell, select table, no insertion point at top center. Then we can insert, add rows below. We can add columns, delete rows if you want to. Delete column. You want the content to be aligned to the top, center, or bottom. Okay. So
Okay.
this is basically how you are going to set the template table. Is it clear?
Okay, yeah.
Just give me 2 minutes, I'm coming. Just 5 minutes break, okay? I'm coming.
Okay.
Okay.
No. Maybe the side will be clear then.
Is it
Be clear
clear?
then? Yeah, 1 second, I'm coming. I had also taken a break because you took a break, so I'm just back. I'm just returning.
Okay.
Yeah, we can start. We can continue.
So you have this graphic tool here. This is Smart Select. This is select an object. This is to draw a line. So click on Shift, draw a line, and then you can decide on the thickness of the line width. Okay, you can select this, select a color that you want from here. Then you have rectangle. Again, the line width, we have to reduce the line width. I can fill the color. Click on this, fill the color. You can fill a pattern also. You can, or you can give a solid fill. Then you have rounded rectangle. Come here, select the color that you want, and then you have oval. Polyline. This one will not fill the color, it will only give the outline color because it's called as polyline. Then you have freehand curve. One minute.
What happened? You're going another break?
Then this is a text frame. I can decide how many columns I want. I will decide and use as 2 columns. Click it as set. Select the content that you want to put in that column. When you want to emphasize on something, you can use these columns. Okay. Then you have text line. Text line is basically when you're here. I will show you another approach. I'll go to view, master pages. Now instead of the logo, okay, I want to give the chapter number. Instead of the logo, I want to give the chapter number. So I go here, insert a rectangle. I don't want the thickness of the line to be so much. I want it to be 1. And then I filled it with the color. The color will be a heading 1 color. Okay. Then I go to the second page. I will give the same rectangle here. And then I go to text line. Okay. Now this, I want it to be in white. So I come here, select white. I go to the next page. I do the same thing. I give the text line, place the cursor, 1. I change the color to white. Click on this and drag and drop it here. So view, body pages. You have 1 here and 1 here, indicating that this is chapter 1. Okay. It's not anything else. It is
Okay.
indicating that it is chapter 1. Because I have not given
Okay.
See, I have already told that it is supply chain management. I'm not saying which chapter it is. So this indicates that it is chapter 1. Clear?
Okay, yeah.
Then you have graphic frame. For that, you have to go to view, reference page. In reference page, place a graphic frame here. Give it as note. If I don't want the word note, I want to set it with icon, then I do it in the reference page. Set it as note and then click OK and then insert image. Drag it out. This indicates that this is a note, an icon which represents a note. Thank you, sir. Now I go to view, body pages. I place a cursor here. I go to paragraph designer. I go to advanced. Note. Click apply. The insertion point. So cursor, cursor. Did you understand the concept?
Yeah.
You can make it smaller. I'll go and make it smaller. This looks a little too big. Okay. Then you have
Okay.
hotspot doesn't work. Then you have fill color pattern, set pen pattern. Keep this one. I put a shape here. This is the outline. Okay, the design for the outline. Then you have the line width. Custom line. This is to decide on the tint, how many percent you want. Okay, so this is the tint, and then the colors. So this is about the graphic tools. Now here, I insert an equation. Recipe. No, I don't know this. I'll come back to you on this. Okay. Mm. The solid form. Okay, now I'm going to create another document. I go to File, Save As. Chapter 1, save. Now I go to File, New, Document, click on Portrait. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I go to File, Import, Formats. Formats from Chapter 1, click Import, click OK. So now you can see the same header and footer has come here. Now you have to go to View, Master Page, change this to 2.
Okay.
view, body pages. So you can see that one. And also here, chap title. I don't have to go and create it. It's already there here. I just need to go and apply to the document. Body text. See, this is what I told you. Sometimes the formatting doesn't work. Okay, so then you have to go back to basic. 14 points, left align, apply. Font. Arial. 16 points. Font color. Head one color. Weight. Bold. Apply. Head two is done. Head three is also done. So only the heading one will come. So I recreated it. Again, there's a problem. 11 points. Go to numbering. Click n is equal to 1. Full stop. Space. Apply. Now go back to basic. 0.21. Apply. So. First come. Go to basic. Okay.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, let's stop at this and
Yeah.
continue on Monday.
Sure. Yeah. So whatever work you are given, I'll do it over the weekend. And
Okay.
I'll also send you the dates for those recorded lectures that I don't have.
I don't know if I'll be able to help you with that. I just checked my Zoom. I'm not able to find a lot of recordings.
Okay. I'll just message you. You can reply that. Okay. Have a good day.
Okay, bye.